All right, so what we're doing here is, so it's Famba Mumoyo. So starting on the 3. So when they're playing in any key, in the key of F sharp, you're starting on the 3. So right. So I'm just adding a bit of spice in that song. So on the 3, then on this one I also did this one. It was like a chromatic movement going downwards. So right. So I just added this. It's like the passing movement to 6, right? So I can also do this, right? Right. On this one, I'm just playing a C13 chord. So in any key that you're playing, you play a 13 chord on the 1. So on your left, you'll be playing a 1 and a flat 7. On my right, I'm just playing, the relative minor. All right. All right. So let's listen again. All right, so that's it. So let's demonstrate it in the key of C sharp as well. All right, but originally the song was in the key of C. All right, so, but in the key of F sharp, So just so then the moment that I did going to the 6, I did this one. So this one is like a so. All right, so starting from the 3. On to So that's basically the song. But you can use this moment onto the 2, going to the 6. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, so that next time when the Unveiled posts any song or any other song that you like to know from a church, or that you want to play in church, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you.